Everything you need to install a rear carrier on your Veloretti Electric 2 is in the toolkit from your bike and rear carrier. Above the rear axle, you'll find 2 bolts and nuts. Open them both, then set aside the longest bolt and nut so you can use it later. Right under the rear light, you'll find a plastic cover over the 2 holes where the rear carrier needs to be connected to the bike. You can easily remove this with your hands. Carefully place the rear carrier over the fender and tighten the bolts that are located under the rear light with Allen key 4. Just a few turns, so it can still move. Install the right leg using the longer bolt delivered with the carrier. You can use the nut without a washer to tighten the right bolt. Put the left leg of the rear carrier into position on the inside of the frame, using the longer bolt you took out of the right side of the bike, with a new washer and small nut to secure the leg. Finally, it's time to tighten everything and check it's all secured. Now your rear carrier is ready to go.